Hey guys, welcome back to the Bondi Harvest Healthy Gut series. Today we're going to be making a slow cooked salmon with a hemp seed aioli and a radicchio salad. It's super good for you, super high in omega-3s from both the salmon and all that beautiful hemp seeds and hemp seed oil. And those are really good for your brain. And one of my favorite things about it is these bitter veggies, which we don't actually eat very much of in kind of today's society. So we're going to eat them raw, which your gut bugs just love. This one I love because it's got radicchio and fennel, and they're two vegetables that often people overlook because they're quite bitter. And it's actually really good to kind of get our taste buds eating those bitter foods. Our gut bacteria love it, and our livers also love it as well. So all we've got is this beautiful salmon here, thyme, which is one of my favorite herbs, olive oil and salt. The salmon here, it's gonna go into the tray. Just be careful of fishy fingers when you're touching all the herbs and salt and stuff. I normally like to keep one hand on the fish and one hand on everything else. And I'm gonna get that thyme, put some of it underneath, just kind of lay it out any sort of way. I'm gonna come in again with a sprinkle of sea salt and a drizzle of olive oil. Rub that in. So now I'm gonna put more thyme on top and kind of just rub it in. Doesn't really require much, but just to get those flavors in. And then into the oven. All right, so that's gonna go in for 30 minutes. And while that's in the oven, we're gonna get going on the hemp seed aioli and the salad. All right, so I'm gonna go in with about half a cup of hemp seeds. I love these because when they're blended, they go super creamy. About a 3/4 cup of hemp seed oil. I'm not much of a measurer, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. And if you don't have that, extra virgin olive oil is one of my favorites. A little teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And we're gonna go with the juice of 2 lemons. And a good pinch of salt. It's perfect. See how it's nice and thick and creamy, delicious. So that's the aioli done. Now we're going to move on to the salad, which I'm using radicchio, which is this beautiful red kind of bitter leaf here, and fennel. And so we've got that really beautiful, rich, fatty salmon, the hemp seed aioli, which is creamy and buttery, and just the bitterness of these veggies is going to match it perfectly. So we're going to go super simple, veggies, lemon juice, a few capers, and that's it. I think a lot of people are really used to having really dull veggies, and we forget that these actually bitter veggies are really good for us, really good for our liver and our gut. Right, so that's been in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh, smell at times, so good. So if I've done this correctly, the salmon should really flake apart, be super delicious. Oh yeah, it's flaking. A little bit of that salmon on the plate, some of that salad. The more veggies, the better. I'm gonna come in with that beautiful, buttery hemp seed aioli. You can see how good and thick and creamy it is. And that's that, delicious. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.